In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make an animated Ferris wheel. The first step is to create a cabin. Create a cube, then create a bevel along every edge. Increase the number of segments and reduce fraction. Add new edges along the middle faces, then lift up the upper part. Select the faces and go to Edit, Mesh, Extract, and pull the blue arrow. Select the original object and extrude all faces out. In the end, create a small cylinder and place it on top of the cabin. Make sure the cylinder is in the center of the grid. After that, select all the objects, combine them, and delete history. The pivot also needs to be in the center. Press D and type 0 in each axis. Select the object, go to Mesh tab, and click on Create Mesh Network. Now I need to create a base mesh for the wheel. Create a cylinder and set as many subdivisions as many cabins there'll be on the wheel. I'm gonna make 12. Increase the size and make it approximately 2 times wider than cabins. Go back to Mesh, find Distribute tab, select Mesh in the Distribution type box. Holding middle click, drag the cylinder to Input Mesh box. Change the number of points according to the number of cabins you need. In Method box, select Vertex. Uncheck Calculate Rotation. Now I want to move all the cabins from the edge to the center. Find the original object in the outliner. Make it visible in Channel box. Select all the faces and move them along Z-axis until the mesh objects get to the middle. When it's done, make the original object invisible again. Now I'm going to make the actual wheel. First, create a cylinder, select it and create Mesh Network. Select Mesh in Distribution type box. Add the same base cylinder to Input box. Choose Edge in Method box. Check Flood Mesh and enable scaling. Then scale it down until suitable size. If the objects are too thick, then just select the original cylinder and scale it down. Also, I want to make it look spiky by pulling out the central vertices. You can also add more cylinders by adding more edges to the base mesh. Now make the main cylinder and all the original objects invisible. Then make a support for your wheel. In the end, let's make the wheel spinning. Select the base cylinder in the outliner. Go to Time Slider to the first frame and press S. Then go to the last frame. Type 360 degrees in Rotate Z box and press S again. Then go to Windows, Animation Editors, and choose Graph Editor. Select all the points and curves and click on Linear Tangents. Now you can enjoy your animation.